How to increase Epic Game download speed? First step, disable the download speed limit. Open Epic Game Launcher, click the download option, click download settings. In download speed, if the download speed option is enabled means you need to disable it. Close it and come to next step. Open up this PC. Make sure the C drive have enough memory space. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. After completing, close it and move on with next step. Click settings, click system settings, click storage settings. Wait for some time to load. Once the loading complete after, click the temporary files. Enable the files, remove it. Before enabling, you need to check and verify. Come back, enable the storage sense. It automatically free up the space. Close it and come to next step. Search for run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Search for Epic Game Launcher folder. Click it. Click saved folder. Delete the web cache folder. Close it and move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text: ncpa.cpl. Click OK. The network page will appear. In this, right click, click properties, click configure, click advanced, click preferred band and set your preferred band. Set it and click OK. After setting, you can check it. If the problem still remains, then last and final step, close it, open up settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset your network. Thank you.